what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you.
Step into the epitome of luxury with a tour of the $12 million traditional estate nestled on the prestigious Bird Streets at 8866 Collingwood Drive. This opulent residence stands as a testament to grandeur and sophistication, offering a lifestyle beyond compare in the heart of Los Angeles.
But one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing.
As you approach the grand entrance, the majestic facade of this traditional estate welcomes you with timeless charm. The architectural finesse is immediately apparent, setting the tone for the elegance that awaits within. With meticulous attention to detail, every element of the exterior speaks to the classic allure of the Bird Streets.
If it's true, I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Upon crossing the threshold, the interiors unfold with a seamless blend of modern amenities and traditional aesthetics. High ceilings and expansive windows invite an abundance of natural light, illuminating the carefully curated decor and luxurious finishes that grace each room. This is a residence that exudes both warmth and sophistication. The heart of this home lies in its expansive living spaces, meticulously designed to cater to the needs of modern living. A gourmet kitchen, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances and bespoke cabinetry, serves as the culinary focal point, making every meal preparation a delight. The master suite, a sanctuary of indulgence, beckons with its spacious layout and refined design. The en-suite bathroom is a retreat within a retreat, featuring lavish fixtures, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower, all adorned with the finest materials. As you explore the residence, the outdoor living spaces unveil a haven of relaxation and entertainment. From a pristine pool surrounded by manicured gardens to expansive patios with panoramic views of the city, this estate is a true sanctuary for both solitude and social gatherings. Smart home technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of this residence, providing residents with control over security, lighting, climate, and entertainment systems. This modern convenience enhances the overall living experience, offering both comfort and efficiency at the touch of a button. Situated in the coveted Bird Streets, this estate provides not only luxury living but also proximity to the finest dining, shopping, and entertainment Los Angeles has to offer. The Bird Streets have long been synonymous with exclusivity, and 8866 Collingwood Drive stands as a distinguished address within this prestigious neighborhood.
Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
In conclusion, the $12 million traditional estate at 8866 Collingwood Drive represents the pinnacle of refined living in the Bird Streets. From its classic facade to its contemporary amenities, this residence is a timeless masterpiece that combines elegance with modern comfort.